In today's video, we're diving into a common problem that many developers encounter when working with templates in C++. The issue at hand revolves around the concept of SFINAE, or substitution failure, is not an error. Understanding this problem is crucial for mastering template metaprogramming, so let's break it down step by step. Now, let's explore the solution to this intricate problem. The key principle to remember is that if a substitution results in an invalid type or expression, type deduction fails. This means that if the argument deduction fails, or the synthesized function template specialization would be ill-formed, no corresponding function is added to the set of candidate functions for that template. In simpler terms, type deduction failure leads to the exclusion of certain functions from the overload set. In summary, we've explored the nuances of SFINAE in C++ templates. Remember, when it comes to template metaprogramming, understanding how substitution failure influences type deduction is crucial. I hope this video has shed some light on this complex topic. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy coding,